All right, let's head into Aria. Into this lobby we go. Check this out. Over to the right, invited guests. And then just great artwork in here. And then a beautiful check-in area over here on the right. Always love that. And then as you come down along here, you see catch straight ahead.
No.
We have a lobby bar over here to the right, and then there is the beginning of one of my favorite casino floors in Las Vegas, right down that way. Okay, so let's start it off right here at the lobby bar. It's a pretty cool place to hang out. It's just off of the lobby. And then we're gonna head out onto the casino floor here. Walk down along here. Plenty of games here to play. Plenty of table games that you're gonna see straight ahead. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna bend off to the right here. Ding Tao Fung is a very popular restaurant you'll see here, located on the right side of the casino floor. It's 5 o'clock on a Thursday and they've already got a line going. As we move on down here, this place has such a good vibe. I mean, it's a Thursday, 5 o'clock, but you can see as I move down here, closer to a lot of the table games over here on the left. If you look out there, they're pretty busy. So for a Thursday at 10 after 5, this is a pretty happening table game area here at Aria. So if you're looking for some games to play, some table games, this is where you want to come. And then over here we have the patisserie, which is really awesome to know. This place is open 24 hours, so have no fear. If church lets out a little bit late here in Las Vegas, you got a place to grab something to eat. Moving on down here. This is the Alibi Bar, which a lot of people need when they're here. And I'm gonna show you a little shot in there. That over there to the right is the way you'd go to Jewel nightclub. So I'm gonna come over here and just kind of give you a peek inside here, inside this cocktail lounge. Really good atmosphere in here. Again, this is kind of towards the middle. Okay, as you bank right at the patisserie, you can come out here and you can get some gifts and snacks right in here. And there's some stores. And then this over here to your right is the entrance to Jewel nightclub. So if you're looking at doing something at night, and you're looking for a nightclub, this is where you would come. This is a great nightclub right here. Okay, so just to the left of this, come over to the escalator right here. And this is gonna take you to all of this stuff up top. Let's head on up. Okay, we've reached the top of the escalator and we've got some stores if you forgot your bathing suit. We're gonna move over here. You got your typical Starbucks. Hard to go anywhere these days without seeing a Starbucks. And then I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna show you, in my opinion, one of the best food halls that you're gonna see in Las Vegas, if you call it a food hall. They call it Proper Eats. And I'm just gonna take a swing through here so you can kind of get an idea. At this time, it's probably gonna be a little bit quiet. There's the Egghead. For breakfast, you got a deli over here on the right. Bunch of sitting areas in here, fountain soda over there. Here's your Italian stuff. Happy Leaf, Soul Bird. There's where you're gonna get your pizza back there. They got it all here, I'm telling you. Burgers. Ramen. This one right here is, you can eat here and live forever. Notice it didn't say live here. Okay, sushi, sake. And then this is what's really cool up here. You can see out to the right is the pool. Even got a jacuzzi over there. But they have a bar right here, right inside from the pool. So just a really cool place. There's so much here at Aria. I mean, it's almost impossible to show it all. I mean, it is. This is one of those type places you can come and you do not need to leave this property at all. So this is their food court area, Proper Eats. There you have it. Okay, now as we head just down from Proper Eats, you're gonna start getting in a couple restaurants down here. Carbone. Over here on the left, very popular. And then you got John George's Steakhouse. I mean, this is where you want to come down here. Come on in there, that's beautiful. This over here. Is amazing. Okay, so right down by the entrance to the pool, you're going to find the spa and salon and the fitness center. Okay, this is where you walk in to go to the fitness center, right next to the entrance to the pool. And this is a nice fitness center right here, as you can see. Plenty of bikes in there. Let's take a walk in and see what it's like. Okay, let's just say you're done working out. You can come and hang out in this area right here. Pretty cool place to relax after a workout, I'm telling you. This casino floor is just one big long stretch. Straight back. So over here is of course the cashiers. And again, we got more slot machines over here to the left as I work my way down here. Over to the right is going to be the high limit lounge. If you need a casino host, that's where you would find it. I want to keep going. You can see it's a pretty long floor here. A lot of action, a lot of activity going on. So there is spin, more high limit slots in there. And there's the high limit lounge over there. Again, high limit slots is here as well. So you can see there's no shortage of games to play and table games. Got yourself a jewelry store over here on the right. There's more restaurants up these escalators here, which are actually working. As you know, that's a little odd in Las Vegas. Of course, they'd be working here though. I'm gonna come back here. Since take a look at the Sportsbook. All right, let's take a look in here. Nice, cozy Sportsbook in here at Aria. Really nice. So out by the entrance of the Sportsbook, you have Moneyline, which is a pizza and a bar. This is a good place to get some pizza, sit around, have a drink, and place some bets. This is really good. And then here we go over here, a sports bar. This casino floor is one of my favorites. It's got such a good vibe to it. It's always got a lot of energy. Some places you go can seem a little quiet. Not here. And then over here on the right, you got a great poker room. So if poker's your jam, this is where you come do it here. And then I have not had Posh Burger, but all things I've heard about it, it's really good. So that's something you might want to check out if you're into getting some burgers. Cutting through the slot machines here. Back out to go down the other side of the casino here. And on the left, you have a pretty cool bar where it's called Gem Bar. And at this particular bar right here, you can play video poker, which is always a fun thing to do while you're having some cocktails. And now, as we start to get up here on the right, we're gonna see a restaurant that is always busy. And if you get the opportunity to go here, Javier's, and I'll come up here and span so you can see how great of a place this is right here. Awesome restaurant right here. If you ever get the chance to come, like I said, make sure you do it. And then we keep going down here. And this is just going to bring you back up towards the main lobby up here. Let's see if we can cut over this direction here. And then this particular route right here, going right down the center of the casino. Okay, and then we're gonna bank to the right here. And out we are going to come towards the lobby. So we just kind of did a big loop around out there on the casino floor. Got to see some of the restaurants that were attached to it. And this out here is the front door that leads you into the lobby. So there you have it. One of my favorite casinos in Las Vegas.